Hi, my name is Chloe.
And my name's Hannah.
And we're the Puzzle Twins.
So today we're going to be doing a cake shed puzzle. It's 1,000 pieces. And if you look closely enough, it has my sister's name. Basically the picture is, it's basically like a shed with someone making cakes. And there's many cakes. As Tommy said, this pink one says my name. This one says nothing. This one is to Miss Jolly, these cupcakes. This box is to Shaw. It's our first time doing this puzzle, so we don't know if all the pieces will be here. So we're gonna find out. And this is a fourth puzzle out of the 87 puzzles. So now we're finished with the puzzle. It took us 3 hours over a day.
This puzzle has great interlocking. That when you lift it up, it doesn't fall apart. Oh, oops. Compared to other puzzles, puzzles might not have great interlocking. We have more Ravensburger puzzles on the right next to Hannah. And this is a first Ravensburger puzzle and our fourth puzzle out of the 87 puzzles. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please subscribe.